All right, so I'm going to speed run this because I'm at the junkyard and I'm on limited time. And right now I'm going to show you how to pull the door lock actuator out of your door. And this is on a 2009 Pontiac Vibe. So you're going to need a 10 millimeter socket. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. And you'll need a pocket screwdriver helps. Pocket knife would also work. And you'll need a T30 Torx of some type, whether it's a screwdriver or socket or whatever. So first things first. Now again, this is a junkyard car. So if this were my own personal car or customer car, I'd be way more careful. But you're gonna take the panel here, pop it off, then your door lock switch here pops off at the back and then unhooks from the front. Then you just undo your door lock switch and your window switch. This comes out. Don't break this part here because they're pretty fragile. Okay. Then it's 3 Phillips screws if you want them to be. This one for sure is. Then there's 2 10 millimeter screws / bolt type things in the door. See how it's either a 10 or a Phillips. There's one here as well. And then that's it. From here, you just rip the door panel off. And then you've got your door lock and your door handle, which should pop out like that. And then you've got these jokers. They hook in and then they clip into the handle. So you just pull them out and pull it off. You don't need that. Then you've got your vapor barrier, which kind of be careful with. Unplug your door lock actuator and you pull this out of your way. Then I don't know if you can see it, but over here, again, I don't know if you can see, there's a 10 for your window run. Take that 10 out. And then from here, you've got the 3 T30 bolts that hold the door lock actuator in on the side of the car, or the door, I should say. Now, the Toyota Matrix does not have a door lock on the outside of the car for you to put a key in. The Pontiac Vibe does. So you can use this actuator in a Matrix, but you can't use a Matrix actuator in a Vibe. So you're gonna move your window run out of the way because you just unbolted it. And you're gonna pull it straight down, out the bottom. Like that. Now when you go back in with it, there's a rod in the door for your door handle. That goes here into this. Okay, and then your door lock cylinder goes into this. Now again, on a Matrix, this isn't here. This is only for the Pontiac. So if you were to go to the junkyard and you own a Vibe, do not get one out of a Matrix because you're going to get home and it's going to be completely blank. So, anywho, reverse installation is exactly that. Put it in there, make sure your lock goes in here, your door handle rod goes in there, you bolt it up, put it all back together. Now that we're home and we're not pressed for time because the junkyard's closing, let's say you bought this brand new, okay? You went to the dealer, you picked it up, you brought it home. It doesn't come with the cables, okay? So to get your old ones out, you would pry this door open, and then this comes off and comes straight out the top. Okay? And then same goes for this guy. You just pop it out, and then you line up your thing there, and you pull it out. You would just put it in, swing it over, clip it in, you're good. You would take this one, put it in your new one, goes in the top, and then it just folds down. You put it in, shut the door, and you're ready to install it. Now, earlier, I did mention that if you had a Vibe and you bought a Matrix actuator, that it wouldn't work. That's true, okay? If you wanted to keep your door lock. Now, if for whatever reason there's no Vibes available to get an actuator out of, but you only had a Matrix, you can take this piece out of the door and swap it in, and then that gets rid of the door lock completely, and now you just don't have a door lock on this side. And then you could then use that actuator. And then this rod right here, I don't know if you can see it, that metal one, that's the one that goes into this guy. And then if you were to pull this plug out and look straight in there, I don't know if you can actually see it on camera, but that would be the rod. Oh, right there it is, that guy. That's the one that goes in to this section that the Matrix one does not have. So, yeah, you just put this thing back together and enjoy working door locks again.